There is a tablet that we place in the person's home with equipment such as a blood pressure monitor and other equipment that we use that is Bluetoothed into that equipment. The person takes their readings, then those readings are sent to a system that we have sitting on our laptop, and the registered nurses then triage those readings and take the appropriate response to what's happening. Each program looks at an individual's needs and requirements and requests from their GP or their specialist. So if we come up with a green light, everything's good to go, we might just keep monitoring. If we get a red, that means we need to investigate it. So I would ring you, find out how you are, what's been happening for you that day, because the readings that are outside those perimeters.
Call us today on 1300 782 896 to find out more information.